Hi, my name is Nadia and nice to see you on my channel, and today we're gonna recreate Britney Spears makeup from music video Born to Make You Happy, when she sitting alone in her room. What can I say about this makeup? Actually, I always adore this makeup since I was a child because it's in blue colors. I like blue colors so much, and every time I watched this I thought, oh my gosh, I want this makeup so bad. And I always get pleasure to see her look in this video, and I still getting used to this sponge, and I really like it. It's true. And now I'm gonna use my thick brush, hope you can see it, and this blue color, that's what I'm talking in the previous video. I love this color so much. I actually love blue color. I think you already know this. Now I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. Now I love this saturated color. Actually, I don't know how it will look like in the end, because I decided to confess my intuition about this makeup, because it was so hard to find the pictures of this makeup in the good quality, but I tried so much. It's so nice makeup. I really like it. And I dream about this makeup so long. And now it's time. A bit spread. You know, you should not skimp this eyeshadow, because it might look saturated. And now try not to do the same. Well, on this part I'm trying to modulate corner. I wanna to make this corner not too much, and not too sharp. Something like this. A little bit above the crease on the eye. No, I think I like this shape. What we got? What kinda odd in this makeup, actually, for me, is that we're not gonna shade borders a lot, so you need to clearly see the borders of this blue color. The next move, we just put a white color on the top. So all we do now is just put and add more and more layers of blue color. It might look so blue and so saturated and vivid color. This is how it might be look. And now it goes under the eye. If you don't want to spoil it, you can take a thin brush, but I'm gonna try and use my previous brush. Just fill it with a blue color. Like this. And here we left some space for white eyeshadow. It looks like smoky, some kind of smoky eyes. It's a blue eyeshadow actually. Now I'll take my thin angle brush and I'm gonna take white eyeshadow with a shimmer. And goes like this. Pull a little bit. Better with a cold eyeshadow. And we put it here, yes, on the top. Actually, I feel lack of shining because I'm gonna put we need to make it shine. On the top. I make it with a highlighter. Like this. And in the corner of the eye, actually, and in the middle. We already put this highlighter. I want to do like this. Now I'm gonna take a mascara. Oops. And I put it. I'm gonna put so much mascara on my eyelashes. Not the skimp is mascara too. We need lash eyelashes in this makeup. And we gonna put it on the bottom eyelashes too. I want to make a long bottom eyelashes. It's kind of pretty. I think it will suit to this makeup. As you can see, I already done with my second eye, and now I'm gonna put blush on my cheeks. I'll take this pink blush and something here, not too much. Put it carefully. Just a little bit. I don't want to spoil it. Then in the middle on the cheeks. Well, that will be fine. Sorry. And now I need a nude lipstick. I'll take this color. Actually, I thought she had in your music video lip gloss. But actually I don't have a lip gloss with same color, but I'm trying to figure it out how to make it. And I'm taking off a little bit and put just a lip balm. Well, here is the result. Like video if you like it, subscribe for more video like this. Thank you for watching.